Hi, I'm Thomas James, and Peterman Brothers are installing a new air conditioning system at my home. They're replacing a air conditioner that was installed with the home when it was built, and it is getting old and not very efficient. I received a phone call maybe a couple weeks back, and I'd had a voicemail before then, and I just kind of blew it off. It basically said, this is Peterman Brothers. You have been selected to receive a new air conditioning unit for your home. And I thought to myself, yeah, right. And then I received a call that said, this is no joke, please contact us. And they mentioned my neighbor's name, who has had a furnace and air conditioning installed by Peterman Brothers, and they recommended me to get a air conditioning, and I won. My neighbors dominated me because they know I've had various health problems over the last couple of years, and it's been a little bit of a strain and of course a major expense, so they knew maybe I was having a little trouble, and that air conditioning unit was old, and you have to get it serviced and all that, and not very efficient. And they were nice enough to nominate me, and I knew nothing about it until I got the calls from Peterman Brother. They obviously knew, and they had been contacted and said, hey, your nominee is the one who's won. And like I said, I had no idea. And then I mentioned to them, I go, did you nominate me? And they go, yeah, did they get in touch? And I said, yeah, so it's for real. And they go, oh yeah, definitely. I was surprised, and it means a lot because, as I've mentioned before, a lot of expenses went into my health care, and this is like a gift, a big surprise, a shock. I'm not the type of person to win something, and I did, and was very surprised about it all. And thanks to Peterman Brothers, I don't know how they do this, but they're doing it, and I surely appreciate it. What I'd say is, to anybody out there who may know somebody in need of a air conditioning, or perhaps a water heater or a furnace, maybe you can put in a nomination to Peterman Brothers for them, and maybe they'll be lucky too and win. Make sure you're good to your neighbors, because you never know, they may nominate you someday too. So, you just never know what's going to happen. And once again, thanks to Peterman Brothers.